Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel Blockchain Modi. As you know, this channel specializes in reviewing the newest and latest project of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll talk about new project named Synapse protocol. But before we start, there is one of two things we need to get out of the way. Every video on this channel is non-investment advice. We only try to shed light on some project that seem to us as good project worth talking about. So guys, stick on this video till the end to know more about Synapse protocol, about its features, and what this project gives to its users. Thank you. So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a project that rapidly gaining traction in the crypto space, Synapse protocol. If you're into cross-chain solution and looking for a way to build or transfer assets across blockchain seamlessly, this is a project you should definitely know about. So let's get into it. First thing, let's talk about the website interface. When you land on the Synapse protocol homepage, it's clear, sleek, and straight to the point. The design is modern but simple, making navigation pretty easy even for new users. The most important stats are right in front of you. Total value locked stands are over of $113 million. Total bridge volume surpasses $53 billion, and there have been more than 13 million transactions to date. It's clear from this data that Synapse is not just a small project in development, it's already playing a significant role in the crypto ecosystem. I really like that they emphasize user experience by keeping the site smooth and informative without overwhelming visitors with too much data. Now let's talk about Synapse protocol vision. This project wants to be the HTTPS for the blockchain space. What does that mean? Essentially, they aim to create a secure, standardized method for cross-chain communication so developers can build dApps without being constrained by individual blockchain. Imagine building an application that can read and write data between multiple chains without having to worry about which specific blockchain you're working on. Synapse is building that bridge. It's all about creating seamlessly interconnected ecosystem where blockchain communicates easily. Diving into their white paper, Synapse breaks down its approach to secure cross-chain communication. The core concept revolves around their cross-chain messaging framework and continuous method they use to validate transactions across different blockchains. This is how they enable truly native cross-chain applications. One thing that stands out to me is their use of an optimistic security model. This model is designed to ensure that cross-chain messages are secure and validated, which is a critical aspect when you're working across multiple networks. This is a great approach to maintain integrity and preventing potential exploit. Moving on the core features, Synapse isn't just focused on cross-chain communications, they're building an entire ecosystem around it. One of the most impressive parts is their extensibility. Synapse messaging contracts can be deployed across any blockchain, whether it's an Ethereum virtual machine AVM compatible chain or not. This makes Synapse incredibly versatile, and it's not just limited or transferring assets. You can send arbitrary data across chain, things like contracts, calls, NFTs, snapshots, and more. It's truly generalized and adaptable to whether cross-chain application developer wants to build. Plus, we can't forget Synapse Bridge. It's the backbone of the network, allowing users to move assets across different blockchains. It's one of the most popular methods for bridging assets thanks to its low cost, fast transaction times, and high level of security. The fact that millions of transactions have already taken place through this bridge shows that it's battle tested. Now, Synapse also offers some serious liquidity benefits. The cross-chain AMM liquidity pools allow you to swap native assets seamlessly. This means that users don't have to worry about moving through multiple hoops just to swap tokens between chains. It's all done efficiently and securely, and it's not just about Ethereum. Synapse supports over 16 different blockchains, both AVM and non-AVM, with more integration planned for the future. This wide support gives developers and users access to a broad range of networks, making it much easier to build cross-chain applications or move assets. Speaking of developers, Synapse is incredibly developer-friendly. They made it easy to integrate cross-chain tokens, bridging native into decentralized applications. So, if you're a dev looking to build in this space, Synapse has the tools to help you. Now, as you can see in the screen, let's talk about the tokenomics, which is always an important aspect for investors. Synapse has a native token that is used within the ecosystem for governance, transaction fees, and possibly staking. Third, I'd recommend you to take a closer look at the token distribution. The fact that the ecosystem has already processed over $53 billion in transactions tells you that there is a real demand here. Now, let's shift to their social media presence. Synapse has built active communication on X, the formerly Twitter, and Telegram. I recommend to checking out their channels up to date, announcements, and community discussion. The team seems responsive, and there is a solid group of supporters who are enthusiastic about the protocol growth. If you want to stay updated with the project, I definitely suggest following their channels, especially since they often announce new integration and protocol updates. So to wrap up this video, Synapse protocol is aiming high by trying to become the go-to solution for cross-chain communications, from its secure and extensible framework to its popular bridge for asset transfers. There is a lot to like about this project. The infrastructure is solid, it's already widely adopted, and the team continues to push forward. Whether you're a developer looking for a cross-chain solution or an investor eyeing a project with strong fundamentals, Synapse protocol is worth keeping on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth crypto reviews. Until the next time, thank you.